This may come as some surprise, but I miss you.
Guys, the bathroom remodel is finally starting. I know it's been a minute. This video is going to be all about the bathroom remodel. It's going to be about some thrifted treasures I got that aren't necessarily the best. And I'm just going to show you some new things I got around the house. Oh wait, let me show you my new perfume. Now, I do not like the packaging. I feel like they could have done better. It's called Amouage Love Delight. It kind of has that saffron-y smell that Baccarat has, but then it also has a lot more of a powdery note. Actually smells really good, but the packaging, it's mid. Not my favorite. You know, that's why I like keeping the back. These are just some of my perfumes, the prettier ones. I basically ruined my living room. I took out all the chair molding, you know, drop crotch, whatever you want to call it. This is actually supposed to be kind of like this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, first thing I got was this. It's just like a little piece of micro art. We're gonna put it on the wall somewhere back there. Then I got this. It's all metal. Interesting, just like a pop of red. You know that saying, if you add a piece of red in your room, this looks pretty cool. So we got that. Then I got a sculpture I'm going to show you, but from Lace by Tanaya. I got this really pretty nose ring. Show it to you. Can you see? Maybe I should put it on. I hope it's not too thick. Uh-oh. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it on camera. I'm going to have to do it later, but look. I love a dangly nose ring, so I got that. Then I know you've all seen the advertisement for House of Noah, House of something. There's so many House of Leon, House of Noah. Anyhow, they're bath mats and they're really nice and chic, and they come with like a little pad to go underneath. And I got two, one for the pink marble powder room and one for my bathroom. All right, so I think it'll go pretty nicely, right, with all the colors. So I'm gonna open it up. What do we think, guys? Well, until we take a bath, we can actually put it here. Okay, so my husband told me right now what I have to do is I have to empty out all of this. All of this stuff I need to put in a box because we are going to remove this mirror. We're going to remove this. I hope none of us gets hurt. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at all these wigs, and these are all human hair, like expensive wigs. I haven't taken good care of them. I need to stop buying wigs. Speaking of wigs, do you guys like this one? It's new. So this is the wood, which is nice because it matches the cabinets that I stained in here way back when, a few months ago. This is still holding on. I did have to wash it because I just had to wash it, but yeah. Wash your feet.
Yeah, I got it. I'm holding it. I got it.
Okay, so we have the sink in, we have our faucet, which is mowing. I think I showed it before. And when I do pick all the tile, I'm gonna have to choose the right ones. You know what I'm saying? Like that one shouldn't be really next to that one. So I'm gonna have the basic, I don't know, I haven't really thought about it, but I need to lay them all out. There's 300 pieces. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Next week, we will probably start on tiling all the walls. We're still thinking about whether we're just gonna go on top of this tile. Because they say you can do it if it's just for cosmetic purposes, you can easily do it, but we gotta think about it. Okay, plot twist, we've changed our minds about something. Can you guess what it is? I'll share with you in the next video.